Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video, we're going to have a discussion about the redesign of the YSL Loulou line. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this discussion video. If you guys have been around my channel, you know I am a huge YSL lover. YSL is the very first brand that I ever went and purchased a bag from, which was my YSL mini Lou camera bag. So I've always loved the Loulou line. And as you can see on the table, these are my two Loulou bags from the line. Well, I actually have three with the camera one, but these are the lines that I want to talk about because I've noticed that YSL have done a redesign of this line. So this is the Loulou line, and this is my toy Loulou in the denim cloth material, which I love. I'm probably thinking about maybe getting the leather version because I love this bag so much. This is like my everyday bag. I chose to go with this option obviously because first it was on sale when I guess now this makes sense in regards to why YSL was discontinuing a lot of like not discontinuing but pricing a lot of their bag in like Saks Fifth Avenue, those areas, for a little bit less because of the redesign. But I'll talk about that and put some pictures on the screen as I'm talking about it. So this one, I decided to go with the denim one because I didn't have a denim in my bag collection, and then I thought this was the great one to try out the denim kind of trend and everything like that, which I totally love. So this one is this one. Then I had picked up this one a couple of months back when Fashion File had a sale. So I had picked this one up. This one is the size small in the Loulou line. As you can see right here, this bag is just so beautiful, and I wanted the size small for a long time. So when this was on the Fashion File website for such a great price, I had to jump on it. So this is the size small. So as you can see, I have the toy size and then I have the size small. So as I've noticed, I've seen a couple of videos here and there about the whole redesign, and I'll put it on the screen. So let's start first with the toy one. So the toy one is the baby of it. So the toy one thing I've noticed that they've done is that they've kind of tried to make it like an east-west style, because you know the east-west trend is so in right now. So they've made it an east-west by elongating this end right here, but then the thing is that they shorten here. So they shorten here to maybe this amount and stuff like that. I was watching another video, I forgot whose channel it was, I'm so sorry, but they kind of went into a little bit detail. So they have shortened it but not really widened it so much, because I thought that the length is still the same. I'll put the length size on the screen right now. It's still the same length, but the height has been reduced, and I'll put the height of the old one and the height of the new one. I'll put the height of this one and the new design. It's been shortened, but then also the depth of it has also been reduced. So I really don't know if the new one is gonna fit like a phone or any of those things, like, because I have the big iPhone Pro Max, but I have a case of the old one, so we'll try to see what can fit in this. So this is the old one, and with this it's a tight squeeze, but it can actually fit in there. So this is the Pro Max case. As you can see, you can actually squeeze it in there and it actually fits, as you can see right here, but it is a tight squeeze. So I'm not sure exactly if the newer one is gonna be able to fit it. So the Pro Max does fit in the old one. I'm not sure about the new one, but yeah, so I'll put the picture on the screen right here if I haven't already, so you see what it looked like. And then also the other big change to the toy one, as you can see, this one has a leather adjustable strap right here, so you can adjust it, and it's a removable strap. But the newer one, I'm not sure. I'll take a look and see if the newer one have a removable one, but they have gone away with the leather strap on the toy, and they've made it kind of like with this right here with the leather break on the top, but it's now a chain strap. So I don't really know how that is going to work, because on the toy line, this is what people loved about it. They love the fact that the strap was, you know, the leather strap and stuff like that, and it was removable and things like that. So I'm not sure how that is gonna play, because some people don't really like chain on their bag. Me, I'm the opposite. I don't really care for all leather strap, but I do love a chain strap. So to me, it's not really a major deal breaker, but for some other people it could be a deal breaker because they do love the leather strap that comes in the toy in the toy size. So this one is my size small, and with the size small, as you can see also on the screen with the new design, I'll put that picture up, it's also the same east-west design, so they've kind of shortened it. And I thought, honestly, in regards to this design, I love the puffiness, but I also love the height of it because it really complemented it. But now they're really leaning more towards the east-west, and I understand, like I stated, it is the trend of the season. A lot of companies from Louis Vuitton to a whole bunch of other companies are doing the east-west. Even Hermes is doing east-west on some of their design. But honestly speaking, in my honest opinion, I felt like they should have left this alone and introduced a new bag, like a new style that has the east-west design, because this is such a beloved line from YSL. A lot of people love the Loulou line. They love the puffiness of it. They love the height of it and things like that. And just the whole design mechanism really resonate with a lot of people. But I do understand. And also another thing also that I do know is that I don't have the toy in the leather, but I do have it in the small. So this is a calf skin leather, and they're getting away with that. Sorry for the shaking. So the newer one now have the lamb skin instead of calf skin. So this is the calf skin, and honestly, I don't know how the lamb skin is going to wear. It is probably going to be a little bit softer than this, but the calf skin is so durable, guys. Like, the calf skin, I have other bags that are in calf skin. When I mean, like, I've got them caught in rain and everything, and it doesn't really affect it as much. Lamb skin is a little bit more delicate than the calf skin, so calf skin is way more durable, in my opinion, honest opinion. So I don't know how that is going to play a part, but as you see also on the screen, they have done with the east-west size, and I'll put the measurement of the old one and the new one in regards to the length, the height, and the width. But they have kind of shortened it, and I don't know about that. This is the chain right here, but I think also in the newer design it does come with a removable pouch and a mirror, so I guess that's a good thing. I do love like the old one and with the size small, because I know in the toy one they have done a lot of different redesign of the toy one. Some of them, I know the older one had the middle that was actually open, so you could put stuff in it. The newer one, this is just a liner that's not open. So I do know that they've done several different design, redesign of the Loulou line, but this one is more of the dramatic one. This one, because the whole shape is gone of what the line really essentially was, not the inside of redesign, but the whole bag has been redesigned so that it could be more of the east-west shape, which means that they have cut down a lot on the height. But like on the toy one, the length really they didn't put more space for the length. I'll also make sure I check on the size small, which is this one, if the length is a little bit bigger, because they did reduce a significant amount when it came to the height portion, and the height really helped for it to hold a lot, in my opinion, and also with the width. So as you can see in the size small, you do have the first compartment right here, you have the back compartment right here, you have a pocket right here, and then for the size small, you still have the zipper pocket in the middle right here. So this really give you, even though a lot of people don't like the middle design, but I loved it because I think it just bring more characteristic, and then it gives this right here. So as you see on the newer one, this little inside is no longer there anymore, really as defined as it is on the older one. So that's what the design mechanism. And then I think also one thing that I've noticed, I know for the Loulou line, a lot of issue that people didn't like is these corners, because these corners are easy to get damaged and get wear to it. So as the newer one, you see how round it is, so it's eliminated this edge right here for it to be more durable than what the original design is of this little area right here. So I think that's a plus, because now it's more rounder, and then it has more support compared to these right here. Because even when I was deciding to buy this bag, this is the first area that I look at these corners to make sure there wasn't anywhere, because that was a lot of complaint for people in regards to the design, was that this corner always came always had wear on it. It was easy for it to get wear on it, but mine, as you can see, is in perfect condition. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to touch base on that, because I mean, it is a dramatic change, and for us that love the Loulou line, I mean, a lot of people really don't care for it, but for us that love the YSL Loulou line, I feel like it's such a dramatic change that they've done. So this original one, if you want to buy this design, you're gonna have to go in the pre-love market. I think some department stores like Nina Marcus or something still got the older design, but if you want the older design, you cannot get it on the YSL website anymore. You cannot get it in store anymore. So if you want to get this, you are going to have to buy it on the pre-love market. So I don't know if that's going to create a whole price increase on this on the pre-love market. I don't know, because you know, sometimes when there's a redesign of a bag or whatever, the pre-love market usually jumped up in prices, that kind of situation. But I don't know, because I love my Loulou line. I love my YSL. I love the fashion house YSL and everything. So I'm so happy I was able to get these before the whole redesign situation happened. Anyway, guys, that's the video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.